Welcome, today I am with OPPO Reno5 Lite and we are going to check if this device comes with silicone protective case and a box set. Oh yeah, as you can see we can find the silicone case right here. It's flexible, let's try to put it on the phone. Easy to put it on, it covers the camera set, power key is built, the same with the volume keys, quick access for the jack 3.5mm, Type-C USB speakers, and at the top the cutout for the microphone. And this case also comes a little bit above the screen, so when you put it on the flat surface you cannot scratch your display. That's nice. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.